what's going on? Jessica here from Debroot. In today's video, I would like to drop some information on you guys on what the top verticals are to help you get rich with Facebook ads. Okay, so let's get down to business. And if you are new to Debroot, make sure you subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content that we post on a daily basis, multiple times a day, to help you guys make money online. So when you're ready to get started with Facebook ads, the ultimate goal is to get as much money as possible. That's all we care about, so that's all we're going to teach you. Now, there are going to be verticals or the categories or the type of products that you want to promote that you should focus on more than others whenever you start promoting your campaigns with Facebook ads. Now, Facebook, obviously, you need to dive into 2.7 billion users with a strategy. You need to have some skills in targeting. You need to have skills in testing. And you need to be able to pretty much keep up with the cash flow so that you can keep pushing campaigns and building traffic to get those clicks on your ads. So what are the type of offers that you need to be building traffic for? So the ones that we think will help make you rich are going to be a mixture. We have some payment flows and we have some that don't have any payment flows. So number one would be Sweepstakes. That is going to be the one that you can promote that doesn't have a payment flow. It's the easiest barrier of entry. You have single opt-in offers where you only require to have someone complete a form where they enter their email address. All you need to do is have a decent lander that's fully optimized, get some good ads out there, and you push those to your traffic. So number two, after Sweepstakes, we're going to have to say is going to be lead generation. So with lead generation, it's something that you are going to have tons of competition with when it comes to some heavy hitters on Facebook ads. But if you stick with certain niches like education, healthcare, employment, residential, automotive, those type of evergreen niches are the leads that advertisers are always going to be looking for. So that's why you can get rich with those. Okay, so coming in at number 3 are going to be CC submits or credit card submits, trials, or rebills. So these offers are a little tricky when it comes to getting conversions, but when you do get the conversions, your payouts are high. So if you're able to run a campaign and get cheap clicks, or if you're able to maintain your cost per 1,000 impressions, then you can definitely make some pretty massive ROI whenever you run these type of offers. And number 4 is going to come in at e-commerce, but specifically with cash on delivery when it comes to Facebook ads and CPA marketing. So the trick with cash on delivery, or the neat thing rather, is that the conversion is tracked whenever the lead confirms the order, not when they have to pay for it like other e-commerce cost per sale transactions. So therefore the ROI that you're able to retrieve is more significant than you would face in other situations where your cost per acquisition is a little higher if you're trying to pursue a straight sale. Okay, so that's all 4 that I have for you today. So that takes care of Sweepstakes, lead generation, CC submits and rebuilds, and then e-commerce. So those are the 4 verticals that we recommend focusing on whenever you get started with Facebook ads. But the number 1 is probably going to be the best one for an affiliate marketing beginner. But even though it's only Sweepstakes, we still recommend that you give it a shot with CC submits and pin submits. Now, we probably don't recommend that you give it a shot unless you have a significant testing budget, or if you're really ready to take it to the next level. If that's the case, then you need to join us in December. We are going to gear up for another mastermind. We've been working hard behind the scenes, getting some strategies pumped out for you guys, testing them thoroughly, making sure they're proven methods that we can help you with when it comes to the CBO rollout, choosing the offers in these profitable verticals, and then how to select your landers and all of the technical prep that comes with it.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.